Hello and welcome once again to the Company Interiors YouTube channel. Let's do the normal thing. Please try and subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell if you want to get some more of these online videos. So today we're talking about moss walls and we're talking about living walls. What I want to do in today's video is I'm going to teach you what we have actually done to create our own moss wall so you can do it yourself. But then I'm also going to show you a few examples of where these have been specified and where they've been put in actual situations. So please stay tuned right to the end. Today we're just talking about, first thing is living walls. So living walls typically are using pouches or covers to put in a substrate or a soil to actually install living plants, live plants in these environments. They tend to be stacked one next to the other. These will be cascading down as a living entity. They will obviously require irrigation. They will require good lighting. They can be incorporated inside, but you are looking at a fairly substantial installation. They are specified in a huge amount in outside environments, in living walls, these days in cities, in motorways, highways, bridges, all sorts of things. So those are living walls. So today we're talking about also artificial moss walls. These are totally sustainable, come from sustainable sources, so they are environmentally friendly. It is a word called biophilic. This is the creation of outside environments into the inside environments, and it is the natural world that we are trying to entice into our indoor spaces. So this is sustainable product. This is reconstituted moss. It is preserved. They come in the formats of ball mosses. So these are golf ball size up to about cricket ball sizes. We have flat moss and we have lichen. So these also come in different colors. I'm going to add a link in the description as to where you can buy these direct from my trade supplier. So that is worth looking at as well in the description below. So we also created some pockets like the product I was showing you before, cut those individual items out, their fabric, apply them straight onto the wall. This is plied out, so a plywood onto your plasterboard wall, frame it either in squares, rectangles, diagonals, circles. They can be created in all sorts of interesting environments, and then it's just an adhesive, no nails, grip fill or hot glue guns. Again, these will all be in the link in the description if you want to see where you can acquire these particular materials and adhesives that we use. Very, very simple to install. So let's go straight away and let's have a look at some environments and where these are put in place in actual restaurants, reception, hotels. We're actually looking at some live situations of where you would be specifying these sorts of products. So we would often be having these in receptions, in corporate environments, in offices, or even in hotels. They will have a fantastic acoustic performance. They are very good at absorbing sound, so deadening sound in a noisy environment like a reception. Breakout areas, restrooms, restaurants, cafeterias, they will have the environment of actually softening the space, creating a very natural looking environment, a very calm environment, and with useful lighting on these particular moss walls and living walls will create a fantastic looking space. So these are used in commercial, they're used in residential. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe and maybe have some of these other videos that we create right here.